So to solve this inequality, what you need to do, find the non-permissible values first. The non-permissible values here, x cannot equal -2 or -3, because that will make this bottom 0 and -3 will make this bottom 0. And then you go to your number line and put that as an open circle because it's non-permitted. So that's the -3, and -2 should be right here. After this, just treat this as an algebraic expression. So you go 3 over x plus 2 equals 4 over x plus 3. So you ignore the inequality sign because you're just solving for x. Cross multiply. You're going to get 3 times x plus 3 equals 4 times x plus 2. You're going to get 3x plus 9 equals 4x plus 8. Bring the x's to one side, the numbers to the other side. So 3x minus 4x equals 8 minus 9. And therefore negative x equals -1. And that tells you x equals 1. Okay. Now you go and put the x equals 1 on the number line, as the x equals 1 is right here. And because the inequality sign has an equal sign, you have to shade this circle. And then you go and test each interval here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 intervals. In here, you test each one. So now, if you're testing in this interval here, let's take -4. So we go 3 over -4 plus 2 is less than or equal to 4, -4 plus 3. Now 3 over -4 plus 2 is going to be -3/2 is less than or equal. That's going to be 4 over -4 plus 3. That's going to give you -4 because that's 4 over -1. Is that less than that? No, that's not. That's false, so you don't shade in this region. Now let's take a number in here. Let's take -2.5 because -2.5 is in this interval. So if you go 3 over -2.5 plus 2 is less than or equal to 4 over -2.5 plus 3. Now here you're going to get 3 over -0.5 is less than or equal to 4 over 0.5, which gives you -6 is less than or equal to 8, which is true. So when it's true, then you shade in this region where you tested. Okay, now let's take, that's a 1. So let's take a number in here. The best number to take is 0 here, because 0, you could just ignore the axis and go 3 over 2 is less than or equal to 4 over 3. You know 3 over 2 is 1.5. And 4 over 3 is 1.3 repeating. So 1.5 definitely is not less than 1.3 repeating, so you don't shade here. Now let's take a number in this interval. Let's take 2. So you're going to get 3 over 2 plus 2 is less than or equal to 4 over 2 plus 3. That's going to give you 3/4. 3/4 is less than 4 over 5. You know 3/4 is 0.75 and 4/5 is 0.8. Okay, that's definitely true. So you shade in this region. And therefore, your solution for this one, I'm just going to write it here on top, is x is between -3 and -2, or x is greater than or equal to 1.